Hello, my name is Salma Pepperwala, and today I'll be talking to you about my volunteer placement from this summer. I volunteered at the Strengthening Relationships, Strengthening Families program at Texas State University, and I was part of the research team as an undergraduate research assistant. SRSF is run by Texas State University, as you can see here, and our program director is Dr. Norma Perez Brenna. She's also a professor at Texas State, and I'm over here on the research side as an undergraduate research assistant. The missions and goals of SRSF is to enhance adolescent parent well-being and to assist them in building and maintaining healthy relationships. We also assist them in developing personal and relationship skills, and we connect them to necessary resources. So the clients we serve at SRSF are adolescents' mothers, fathers, and their co-parents. We do the program at high schools throughout San Marcos, Austin, and San Antonio, and our participants are between the ages of 14 and 21. Some social problems that are addressed by SRSF is dropout prevention. As a lot of adolescent parents do not graduate high school, SRSF aims to keep these parents in school until graduation. We also do domestic violence prevention, child maltreatment prevention, sexual risk avoidance, while also working on healthy relationships, co-parenting skills, and life skills. And as you can see based on this graphic, this is kind of an overview of what we do to help adolescent parents. So SRSF provides 12 lessons throughout one semester for the participants of the program. Each lesson is geared towards healthy relationships, co-parenting, and life skills. And before they start the program, they take a pre-test survey. And once they complete the program, they take a post-test survey so we can track their changes. SRSF is funded through the Department of Health and Human Services through actually two grants. The first one being the Sexual Risk Avoidance Education Grant, and the second one being the Ready for Life grant. Based on this information, SRSF is a public agency and a nonprofit agency. So my role at SRSF this summer was a data collection event. So I actually would distribute surveys to the participants. I also assisted in coding articles for a project for the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships. I assisted in code book analysis, and I assisted with trainings and other lab tasks in the San Marcos lab. So some of the agencies we partner with is the Pregnancy Education and Parenting Program, or the PEP program. We partner with SAFE at Austin and WIC. We usually connect these participants to these outside resources if we cannot provide those resources themselves through SRSF, and we work together to make sure that the participant receives assistance for their needs with the other agencies. Some gaps that exist between SRSF and the other agencies we work with is that, one, there is no follow-up program for participants after graduation, so they do not receive the same support that they do in high school. And there's a lack of housing overall for adolescent parents on their own, which is a challenge for the agencies that we work together with as well. My most memorable experience with SRSF was during the data collection events, as I was actually able to experience research firsthand, and I was able to meet the participants and their cute babies over Zoom. The most significant thing I learned during my placement with SRSF was that adolescent parents are strong, they're resilient, and they're ready to accept support and assistance from SRSF and all the other agencies that we work with. I also learned a lot of research skills as well. I think SRSF impacted my personal development very positively, as I was able to learn lots of new communication skills, organization skills, time management skills, and I felt overall more confident in myself. I think it also impacted my professional development very positively. I learned coding skills and article analysis skills that I hadn't known about before. I learned a lot of knowledge about data collection, surveys, and code books. And best of all, I learned how to work with the research team. So I learned a lot of cooperation skills. I think this experience will impact my future goals very positively, as I do want to go to graduate school and possibly get a PhD later on. I also do want to work with adolescent parents, so SRSF has kind of led me in the right direction with that. Thank you.